This week, 5 of India's biggest IT companies combined became worth less than one oil and telecom conglomerate. An AI ran an entire ransomware attack by itself, no human required, which means somewhere out there, a cybercriminal just got automated out of a job by his own tool, and a company with 55 employees fired Salesforce and replaced it with an app they built with AI over a few weekends. If you work in IT services, this was not a week. This was a plot twist. Let's get into it. Welcome to Gentle Reminder, the weekly show where enterprise IT news gets explained by someone who has actually lived it. 15 plus years in the trenches, incidents, changes, and bridge calls that outlived civilizations. Today, the Indian IT bloodbath, the AI attack that should scare your security team, and a lightning round. Let's do the needful. The combined market value of TCS, Infosys, Wipro, HCL Tech, and Tech Mahindra has fallen roughly 46% from its 2024 peak. These 5 companies together are now worth about the same as Reliance Industries, one company, in ITSM terms. This is not a P2, this is a SEV1 with executive visibility and a bridge call that never ends. So what happened? Analysts are calling it AI deflation. Here is the plain English version. For 30 years, the model was simple. Client has a problem, you throw skilled humans at the problem, you bill per human per hour. More problem, more humans, more money. It was the all-you-can-bill buffet. Then AI walks in and says, what if fewer humans? And suddenly every client is asking the question every services boss dreads. Why am I paying for 200 people when your own AI demo says 40 can do it? But, plot twist. Thursday, TCS kicked off earnings season and beat revenue expectations. Banking clients spent more, a weaker rupee helped, and the stock actually jumped. One analyst literally described it as, quote, better than feared. Better than feared. What a bar. That is, like your change board saying, well, production did not catch fire. We will take it. Frame it. Put it in the quarterly report. Story 2. And this one made every security person I know age 5 years in 1 week. Researchers are describing the first fully autonomous ransomware attack, an AI that executed a complete ransomware operation on its own, not AI assisted, not a hacker using a chatbot to write a phishing email. The AI ran the entire playbook, start to finish. So here's the thing, the attacker is now a while loop. It does not sleep, it does not take PTO, it does not get discouraged when the exploit fails, it just retries. With exponential backoff, politely. Why does this matter for those of us in operations? Because if the attack runs at machine speed, your response has to run at machine speed. If your incident process starts with someone notices something weird and emails the security team, you have already lost. The email has not even hit the inbox, and your files are already wearing a ransom note. And in a beautiful bit of cosmic timing, the same week, a UK parliamentary committee revealed that the automation one contractor planned for a major public project did not work. So on one side of the industry, AI is autonomously running cyber attacks. On the other side, we cannot get it to reliably process a form. The robots are simultaneously overachieving and underachieving. Honestly, relatable. Lightning round, 3 quick ones. 1. ServiceNow reports second quarter earnings on July 22nd. The stock has been on a roller coaster, and the question everyone is asking is simple. Is AI actually converting into subscription dollars, or is it still just a really well-produced keynote? Full breakdown next episode. 2. Microsoft is deploying 6,000 engineers to help enterprises actually get AI into production. When the platform vendor starts shipping people, you know the self-service dream needed some assistance? 3. That 55-person firm in Atlanta that replaced Salesforce with an AI-built app, saving about $100,000 a year. Now, one small company is not the enterprise software apocalypse. Your 35,000 user environment has slightly more edge cases than a 55-person shop. But directionally, the just build it option officially exists now. And software vendors noticed, their pricing teams noticed harder. Practitioners take. This is the part where I stop being a news anchor and start being someone who has spent 15 years actually running this stuff. Every story today is secretly the same story. The unit of value in IT is changing. It used to be people and hours. It is becoming outcomes and speed. So here is your Monday homework. One thing, not 10. Pick one metric you report that is based on volume. Tickets closed, hours logged, and ask, what is the outcome version of that number? Not how many incidents you closed, but how much productivity you actually protected. Because the teams that can answer that question are the ones that will justify their budgets in an AI world. The ones that cannot will be a chart in someone else's video, probably mine. And that is The Pilot. This show runs weekly IT services news with actual practitioner insight and questionable jokes. So tell me in the comments, what worked, what dragged, and what should I never say again? I'm Jisoo. Stay curious, keep your changes documented. And this is Gentle Reminder, signing off for today.